It is game day as the Carolina Hurricanes head to South Florida to take on the Florida Panthers. Carolina heading into this game 22-13-2, coming off of that shootout loss against Columbus. The Florida Panthers are 23-13-2, coming off of a win against the Rangers coming into this game. The three players to watch for the Panthers are Sam Reinhart, who has 45 points through 38 games, leading the team with points. And then Matthew Tkachuk, always the pest he is, 35 points through 33 games played, including 13 goals and 22 assists. And then Aleksander Barkov, the big Finnish man, he'll be playing alongside Sebastian Aho in the Four Nations. He has 34 points through 28 games with 11 goals and 23 assists. And then the big keys to this game, Carolina needs to control the neutral zone. This game is going to straight up come down to that zone. We always talk about it being important, and I'm going to make a video to show you how important the neutral zone truly is, but let me tell you, it's vital. If Florida generates speed, they generate odd man rushes, and they generate chances all through the neutral zone. They can do it off of their offensive pressure as well too, but that stems from them being good and fast in that neutral zone. We need to be quick, we need to be first man on puck, and we need to battle. This is going to be a fight all night. It's not going to stop, and it's going to be a battle from start to finish. No ifs, ands, and buts. Matthew Tkachuk's going to be in our face. Sam Bennett's going to be in our face. Carter Verhaeghe's going to be in our face. The list goes on and on. They are going to play a hard-nosed, hard-style, team-first style of play. They're going to hit everything that moves. They're going to get in your face. They're going to punch you. They're going to be mean. They're going to do all of that. Carolina needs to respond. Couple players that I'm hoping can respond for Carolina in that regard. A bit of an odd one here I'm going to start us off with, but it's going to be William Carrier. The reason why I'm starting with William Carrier, yes, only 9 points through 37 games, but he brings a little bit of that tenacity, a little bit of that fight, and I think that he's going to be vital in making sure that the boys are awake and ready to go today, because that line's going to be the crucial. I'm assuming they're going to start the game, but they're going to be crucial to making sure we establish our forecheck early in this one. A second player I do want to take a quick look at, just based off of how hot he's been as of late, Jack Roslovic, 17 goals through the season. He's got 4 as of in the last 5 games. He's been on a hot streak as of right now, or the last 6 games. My apologies, 4 goals. But he's got a great release. That first line seems to be figuring out what they're doing. Him and Jarvis have found a connection. Aho is starting to play the way he needs to play. That line's going to be vital to also shutting down Florida's top line, because I can't imagine they're going to play Barkov against any other line other than that Aho line. Maybe against Natchez, but Aho's got to do what Aho does, and that line's got to do what they do. And that starts with Roslovic being able to put the puck in the back of the net, because he's got one of those unbelievable releases. So be on the lookout for Jack Roslovic. The starting goalies tonight, I'm suspecting it will be Pyotr Kochetkov and Sergei Bobrovsky, just purely based on the fact that those two are the ones that have played the most games for each respective team. They're not coming off of back-to-backs, so both will be rested and ready to go. So I suspect we see the Russian duo fight it out once again. I think for the second time this season. Bobrovsky did get the better end of the 6-3 win in Carolina. But, as we always say, let's go Canes.